I'll be going over free apps or free tools that I use with my classroom almost daily. This is my teacher page where my students have access to, and these are the three apps that I'll be going over. First is Kahoot. So Kahoot is an engaging game-based learning platform that does not require a membership, making it easily accessible for both educators and students. So this is what my Kahoot page looks like. I simply log in using my Google, sign in, or you can also log in using a personal email. Teachers can use the free basic account, which still provides a variety of interactive options. And the way my student joins in is I have it over here on my teacher page. When they click on it, it takes them directly where they have to enter their game pin. Students join quizzes by entering a unique game pin, making participation effortlessly. So whatever game pin I have on the screen, they type it in here. And once they hit enter, they get to write their own name. That's how I know that they are participating. Okay, so I used Kahoot primarily as a review tool before assessments, giving students 20 minutes to prepare. So for example, the STAR prep. The excitement of a Kahoot session motivates them to review their notes actively. So this is just a fun and engaging way for them to review and learn. Additionally, I incorporate it into Fun Fridays quizzes where I compile questions from like all concepts we have learned throughout the week. So this is just another fun way to end the week on Fridays. The platform also offers multiple question formats like this, or true and false, or I could show you another example. This one. It also allows a short answer response like this one, where the students have to type this answer, ensuring students are prepared to engage with different question styles. So I could either give them multiple choice, short answer, or a true-false, or open-ended even. Or I could even do multiple choices where they have to have 3 answers. So lots of variety stuff. Kahoot also has a vast library of pre-made quizzes. So this, someone made this and I simply clicked on it. That can be customized or used as is, allowing for flexibility in my lesson plan. So I can either do with this or I could create my own like I did in here. Okay, so the other platform that I want to talk to you about is Formative. Formative is another excellent free platform that supports real-time assessment and daily assignments. So you can also log in using your Google ID. I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to go to my dashboard. So to connect with students, I create a class. So these are all the class that I've made. And each of these classes is unique code. So for example, I click on this. This is the unique code. I need to give this code to my students, allowing them to join seamlessly. So they will sign in using their Google ID as well. And when they go to Formative, Google ID, and then they'll ask if there's an option to join the class. And if I give them this code, when they enter this code, they will be in this class. So during remote teaching, Formative became an essential tool for maintaining a student's engagement and tracking progress, especially for me. So like Kahoot, it offers a variety of question formats, making it a versatile platform for multiple subjects, including math, language arts, and social studies. So this, I made it for math, where the students had to basically show their answer using the drawing option that they have, or they need to type short answers. There's a short answers as well. Create a word prompt, another short answers, or multiple choices. Or I am going to use it for different subjects area as well. For example, for word study. So I give them a full response, another option. So when I preview it, this is what my student page would look like. Okay. Unlike Kahoot, which is more game-based, Formative allows for deeper assessment and targeted instructions. While I have access to a library of pre-made assignments, I prefer creating my own to ensure alignment with TEKS standards. So there is an option in here where I could choose a bunch of this to put it in my class. But I do choose to make my own so that I could target my TEKS. The last platform that I want to talk about is Padlet. Padlet is a collaborative platform that enhances students' interactions and engagement. By posting a simple link on our LMS or Canvas is the one that we use, students can join and contribute without complicated logins, making it accessible and user-friendly. So for example, this is the word study that I created, word study board that I created for this week. I am going to have my student join in using this link right here. Once I get this link, I can post it on my Canvas, and that's how they can log in. Padlet allows students to type responses that instantly appear on my screen, which excites them as they can see their contribution in real time. For example, these are my students, and they wrote their name and they typed in their answers. These features foster class discussion and encourages participation. I also appreciate the flexibility to enable or disable comments and likes on posts depending on the activity's object. So for example, for this one, I froze all the accessibility for them to like or write a comment. So I go on, sorry, let me use the other one. So in here, I can choose whether they can comment, which I turned it off, or reaction. They can do any of these, but I turned it off. While this free version limits users to 3 boards, it remains a valuable tool for brainstorming, discussion, and showcasing students' work across various subjects. So each of these platforms serves a unique purpose in my teaching strategy. Kahoot for engaging reviews, Formative for structured assessments, and Padlet for collaborative discussions. By incorporating these tools, I create a dynamic learning environment that caters to different learning styles while keeping students motivated and engaged. Thank you for listening.